What is a sectoral/thematic mutual fund? A sectoral/thematic mutual fund is a type of mutual fund that invests in companies operating in a specific sector or industry, or that follow a particular investment theme. For example, a sectoral mutual fund may invest solely in companies operating in the technology sector, while a thematic mutual fund may focus on investing in companies that are involved in renewable energy or healthcare. These types of mutual funds allow investors to gain exposure to specific sectors or themes that they believe will perform well in the future. However, it is important to note that investing in a sectoral/thematic mutual fund can be riskier than investing in a diversified mutual fund because the performance of the fund is heavily dependent on the performance of a single sector or theme. As a result, these types of mutual funds are generally recommended for experienced investors who have a higher tolerance for risk. The minimum investment in equity and equity-related instruments of a particular sector/theme shall be 80% of total assets. Sectoral/thematic mutual funds are actively managed funds that are designed to capitalize on trends and growth potential in specific sectors or themes. The fund manager will research and select companies that they believe will perform well within the chosen sector or theme, and the fund will then invest in these companies. Sectoral/thematic mutual funds can be beneficial for investors who want to invest in a specific sector or theme without having to select individual stocks themselves. Additionally, these funds provide diversification within the chosen sector or theme, as the fund will typically invest in multiple companies. This can help to mitigate some of the risks associated with investing in a single company within a particular sector or theme. However, it is important to note that sectoral/thematic mutual funds can be volatile and subject to significant fluctuations in performance, particularly during periods of market turbulence or sector-specific events. Investors should also carefully consider the fees and expenses associated with these funds, as they may be higher than those associated with more diversified mutual funds. Overall, sectoral/thematic mutual funds can be a useful tool for investors who want exposure to specific sectors or themes, but investors should carefully consider their risk tolerance and investment goals before investing in these funds.